One morning at Tim the Sheds, the engines were all waking up. Wait, don't go. I wanted to say something. We've all worked hard on this island for a very long time now. And, well, what I'm trying to say is, we should form a team. I agree with Thomas. But we really do need a name. Oh, I know. What about the Steam Team? That's a great idea, Percy. I'll tell Edward later. All in favor of our name being the Steam Team? Whistle. Oliver and Toad were making their way through the countryside, but they didn't notice Ryan approaching. Watch out, Oliver! Later, the Fat Controller went to Murdoch to ask for some help. Murdoch, Ryan and Oliver have gotten into a crash. Neither of them are in a working state. I would like you to work in Augsburg with Daisy for the next few days. Yes, sir, said Murdoch, and he steamed away to get started. Hopefully this Daisy engine isn't too noisy. Murdoch arrived at Augsburg to find that no one was around. That's strange, said Murdoch. Where is this Daisy engine the Fat Controller was talking about? He decided to go looking for Daisy. Murdoch finally found Daisy resting in the shed, not doing any of her work whatsoever. Are you Daisy? Asked Murdoch. Yes, that's me. I assume you've heard of me. Yes, and it's nice to meet you. My name's Murdoch. Well, Murdoch, you seem like a very strong engine. Well, yeah, I guess I am. But, do you think you could help me out with a couple of jobs? I'm taking over 2 engines' jobs at the moment, and I've got a lot to do. Well, I would, but helping other engines is bad for my swerves. You know how it is. Murdoch was shocked that anyone could be so rude, but instead of getting annoyed, he decided to just do his work and get on with his day. Alright then, said Murdoch, and he left. Murdoch worked hard all day, pulling many different goods trains for Ryan and Oliver. He was finally done and headed home for the night, excited to get some rest after the long day. He soon arrived back at the shed, only to see Daisy was still there from the morning. Well, I've finally finished all my work for the day. I think it's time I get some rest. Well, Murdoch, you are a very strong engine, you know, And there's one passenger train that I never took today. Do you think you maybe might be able to help me out? Please? Murdoch was fuming at this point, but decided that he may as well take the train for Daisy. After all, he liked taking trains at night. It was nice and peaceful and quiet. So Murdoch left the sheds to do his final job for the day. Soon, Murdoch was on his way. Unfortunately, the signalman wasn't aware that Murdoch was the one taking the passenger train, and thought Murdoch was taking his train a lot later. He switched him down an old line. Oh no, what's that? Oh, bother. Later, Hero brought Murdoch into the steamworks. Oh my! What happened, my friend? Daisy used me to take her passenger train, and the signalman didn't realize I was supposed to be taking Daisy's train, and sent me down the wrong line. Wait, I'm confused. Why are there so many engines here? Yes, it's going to be a very long week.